ka Jaintia National Council JNC ha ka nyotrik Risau Araja Arpusan kala IT show Dr. Ricky AJ Singh kon MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency da ka dorkhas ba kattu ka ni Tylli ki mat jingdawa ki ba ka seng kala baso ha ka save Jaintia mission Artali na kini ki mat ki day ki be Tyngkhuh bat ka Sorkar India kata ka baning kong ka day Halor standard operating procedure bala product da ka Ministry of Coal bagi ba ai apply scientific mining license man yo ti doyong ki hab bandan jaka chispa hectare ka seng ka ong ba ka ni kamla banlong na ka bantai ki nong ti doyong ha ka than Jaintia bat kumta ka kintu yu MP ban Ïakren Halor ka ni ya ka ba MP ulaong ba ka Sorkar jilla kan hab ban Ïakren lang bat Phah Jingtho sha ka Sorkar India kamat ba arpat ka Tyngkhuh ba ka Sorkar India ka day Halor ka jingdawa ka seng ba ki shnong panar ki bahap sa Assam Deben Pai no sa Meghalaya.
Today, we from the JNC National Council, we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ricky AJ Singh. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Safe JNC mission. And in the Safe JNC mission, we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submit a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the JNC National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining, because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jaintia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we don't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Safe Jaintia mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jaintia Hills, and we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India so that all the Panar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all these places belong to the Jaintia kingdom, especially the Khat Ardaloi. And one of the ilika of the Khat Ardaloi is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.